So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you through the basics on what you need to know as a complete beginner if you are looking to make money online with Amazon affiliate marketing. Now, this video is going to be very step by step, just to give you insight on what you need to be aware of when it comes to Amazon affiliate marketing. I have been making money with affiliate marketing for about 2 years, so I know a thing or two that is going to help you on your journey. So without further ado, let us get right into the video. Now, first things first, if you're familiar with the phrase Amazon affiliate marketing and you do not know what it is all about, Amazon affiliate marketing, you just get to sign up for the Amazon Associate Program. And when you get accepted, you are going to simply be able to promote products listed on the Amazon Marketplace. And if people buy through your links, you get a commission. One thing I would like you guys to know is that when it comes to affiliate marketing, there are several affiliate network programs out there with several other kinds of products that you can promote, and Amazon is just one of them. So the options are endless. There are tons of others, which I'm going to be sharing a little bit on that in the later part of this video. So make sure you stick to the end. So when it comes to the sign up process for Amazon affiliate program, what you need to do is simply go to Google and type Amazon affiliate program. It will come up as the first on the search result, and once you click on it, you will be brought to this page here where you can easily sign up as an affiliate. You want to click on the sign up and it will bring you to a page where you begin the process of creating your Amazon Associates account. You need to fill in all the details of your account information, that is your payee name, your address, line 1, line 2, line 3, the city, your state, zip of postal code, your country, your phone number. And after doing that, you would now proceed to the next phase of the process where you want to fill in your website and your mobile app list. So they are going to ask you for your website or the place you are going to be mainly promoting your Amazon affiliate links. Now, I need to let you know that they're going to need some sort of a website or blog or social media presence for you to get accepted for this account. If you're going with a social media presence, you do not need to have a large following, as you can get accepted with a pretty small, decent number of following. However, you do need to input your website or your social media URL in this section here. Now, you can add more than one, and you just want to click add. By the way, smash the like button if you're finding this super valuable. Make sure to subscribe and join the family, and do not forget to hit that notification bell icon so that YouTube can notify you when I put out a new video. Now, once you have entered the URL for whatever website or social media you want to use, the next thing you want to do is populate your profile. Now, this would involve you choosing your preferred associate store ID, and I just put the Finance Intel here. This is basically whatever ID that your Amazon store would reflect. You would also want to indicate what your website, social media, or mobile app is all about. So if you have a YouTube channel or an Instagram page, then you can simply indicate what Instagram page niche or your YouTube channel niche is all about. Whether it's beauty, it's about tech, or it's about finance, whatever it is you want to put it out there. How many subscribers you have, the name of the channel or the Instagram page. You want to be detailed as possible, because the more information you give them, the more likely you are to get accepted. Then you want to select which of the following best describes your content, whether it's a blog, content on niche, search, and the likes. If it's a blog, you want to go ahead and choose blog, or if it's social media, you can click content or niche website. So just go through that and select the right one. You then want to choose the option that best describes how you heard about the Amazon affiliate program. So if you're listening to me right now and this is your first time hearing about the Amazon affiliate program, you might as well click word of the mouth, because you heard it from my mouth. However, if you saw it via browsing the website or browsing Google, you can click online search. If you saw it on the Amazon website, you can click Amazon. If you saw it on a blog post, you can click blog post. And then you want to go ahead and fill the captcha, which is the numbers that you can see on this image right here. You want to agree to the terms and conditions of the Amazon Associate Program, and you simply click finish. After that, what you need to do is wait a day or two till you get a mail from Amazon letting you know that you have been accepted into the Amazon Associate Program. So let's say congratulations that you have gotten accepted. What you need to do now is log into your Amazon Associate account and go to the Amazon Marketplace. There you will be able to see the variety of products that you can get your link from and start promoting. So once anyone clicks your affiliate links and buys a product through your affiliate link, you will get a small commission. Now, the most important thing here is how are you going to find people to click your links and buy these products? There are so many ways to do this, so many ways. And one major way is simply by using your website or social media traffic, just as you listed while signing up. So let's say you have like roughly 1,000 followers on Instagram and your niche practically revolve around beauty. What you can do is make content with your everyday go-to products or recommended beauty products, whether it's skincare, makeup products, or hair products. You then want to go ahead and search for those products on Amazon, collect your affiliate links for those products, and push them out on your social media. Now, of course, Instagram would not let you add a link to your description or to your comment section. So what you can do is create a Linktree shop. And with Linktree shop, you can add all the affiliate links of the products you most likely create content on, and you can also add more products as you wish. And after every content on your Instagram, you give your audience a strong call to action to click your store link in your bio, and anybody who goes there to click on your store link and clicks on whatever products to purchase, it will direct them straight to the Amazon store where they can purchase it, and you will get a small commission. You can also replicate this same method if you have a YouTube channel, but this time you can simply attach your affiliate links in the description or in the comment section. Now, one important thing that you guys need to know before you go away from this video and start out on your journey is that commission differs from product to product, meaning that different products would have different commission rates. And as you can see from this table here, these are different product categories and their respective commission rates. So you can see that Amazon Games has a commission of 20%, while Amazon Fresh physical video games, video game consoles, grocery, health, and personal care has a commission rate of just 1%. So you may want to have a quick look at this table before you go away and niche down on a certain product category. Now remember, for this to work and for you to have a good success in it, you need to be putting out content regularly, and you need to be committed and consistent, as the more content you put out, the more your audience are likely to see it and the more purchases and commission that you are going to get. Now, just like I said earlier, there's a whole bunch of opportunities out there as it relates with affiliate marketing, and Amazon is just one of them. In my previous video, I talked extensively on Pinterest affiliate marketing, and if that sounds like something you would like to try out, then you can click here, as I'm going to add the video right here, and you can check out the video.